Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to BrisketMedic. Today we're going to be firing up the Masterbuilt Portable Grill. It's like a little gravity feed, tiny. Operates on batteries or power cord. You can take it with you anywhere. Folds up into a nice cart. We loaded it up with Smokey Woods BBQ lump charcoal. We're going to be cooking this beautiful 44 Farms Tomahawk ribeye steak. Super simple seasonings today. We're just hitting it with Paradise Pepperco cherry bomb. It's absolutely delicious. It goes great on beef, pork, and chicken, and poppers for that matter. And then we're going to baste it with butter with a little extra kick that I'll show you then. Let's get this thing opened up. Beautifully French tomahawk steak. I don't usually buy these just because you're paying for that bone, but you know what? This was sent to me for free and I'm going to enjoy it. Liberal coating, guys. Super liberal coating. All the way around. Put a little there. Little dab. Little dab. Yeah, buddy. Like I said, very, very liberal coating. And we don't want this all to fall off when we flip it over, so we're going to hit it with a little bit of spray oil. Flip it over and do the same thing. Go seasoning, cherry bomb. Real heavy. Got our charcoal lit up. Let's go ahead and crank her on. It's just a simple turn of the knob. I'm going to turn it almost all the way up because we want this thing to get blazing hot. Got a beautiful fire down there. We're going to close this down. We're going to let this get hot. 475, somewhere in there. And while she's getting warmed up, she's at 450 right now. Just a few more to go. I'm going to add a little bit of flavor by adding just a chunk. This is Smokey Woods BBQ chunk of pecan. I'll add that chunk right on top. And that's all the charcoal we're going to need for this whole cook. Let's get her on. Beautiful sound, beautiful sear. I'm going to flip it over in about 3 minutes. While that's going, we're going to prepare our butter. This is just 3/4 of a stick of butter in a cast iron skillet. I'm going to throw it on there, let it get melted down, and show you what little extra I'm going to add to it to make it delicious. All right, guys, we're a couple of minutes in. Butter's nice and melted already. Let's add something to it that's going to really make it delicious. We got Zesty garlic by Texas Oil Dust. I love this stuff. And mixing it with butter is outstanding. Putting it on popcorn's good too. It's good stuff. I'm going to put about a tablespoon in there. We want this butter to have some kick. All right. A little bit on there. Ooh, looking good, looking good. All right, here in about a minute, we're going to flip that over and let it cook for 3 more minutes. Just like that, it's ready to flop over. Let's get this moved over just a little bit. Let's pick this beautiful steak up. Look at that great sear. Boom. Hit it again with some more butter. More butter, more butter. Man, it's a beautiful steak. Outstanding. All right, shut her down. About 2.5 minutes. That's going to be done. All right, 3 minutes on each side is done. Pull this bad Larry out. Oh, that thing looks amazing. And then check this out. We're going to wrap it up with the remaining butter. Not all of it, just a little bit. Because that is hot. Put that right there. Shut this off. Once we got that pulled out, we wrapped it in foil, poured a little bit of that butter on it, and then we've let it sit for about 10 minutes now. It's time to pull it out, get it sliced up, and try it. I can't wait. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Living out in the country, you got to keep some of these fly deterrents around, and even at that, flies will try their best to get in your food. Man, look at that beautiful steak. My reaction, the color, all those juices. It smells amazing. If it tastes half as good as it smells, it's going to be awesome. I'm going to pour just a little bit of that jus on there. Oh yeah. Dump the rest of that in the bucket. The rest of it. Take a bite out of this beautiful, delicious tomahawk. Get that little hint of smoke. That rub is delicious. The butter is delicious. I'm gonna dip it in just to see. Oh man, that is absolutely fire. So good. I'm gonna gnaw on this bone. So easy to do. Delicious, simple. That's what it's all about, folks. Feed your family something amazing. It's hot out here. Drink more water. Make sure you like, you subscribe. I love you.